washing your face?
Yes.
So what she says, you put it on with a small circle, you wash it, and you actually let it stay for 2 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. Okay, then you wash it off. After you wash it off, you will use the 180 mist. When you use mist, you spray, and then what do? You have to give your skin exercise. Smack it. Right? Because your skin don't get exercise. After you do that, you put clear nutrition. You have it?
The reading gel.
Oh, really? Okay, real revealing gel.
Not a fake reading.
Not a fake. Okay. All right. So what it is, you put clear nutrition on your skin. So you put Celtrax. You could use the other the Celtrax CoQ10 or Celtrax Ultra. True Face Perfecting Gel. What is True Face? Somebody asked me the question. How to use it? Somebody asked me the question. This is my favorite product. I like this better than Revealing Gel.
Really?
So you find that so many products, you just use it and you fall. I have very dry skin. So even I use Age Lock, it's too dry for me. It's not feel like not enough. So I definitely will put this is actually the sequence I put on. I don't put that handful for this exercise. You put these three. Oh, reverse. Celtrax CoQ10 or Celtrax Ultra, True Face Perfecting Gel, Revealing Gel, and every step here you have to.
Slap your face.
Yes, good. So when you want to slap somebody, you say, let me try this on you.
Oh,
See
do
this?
this.
Yeah. Basically, no, just one side. You do. Okay. What you have to do the first time you do it, only do half of your face. Don't do the whole face because lots of you already done Age Lock, the galvanic spa many times, so they think couldn't possibly get any better. So when Jenny came, what was it? Was it that afternoon anyway? So Marty and Lita were there, and so they were the so-called guinea pig models. And so they tried this on, and then just, right? And then put an enhancer on. So this is putting called clear nutrition on your skin. After you nutrient your skin, you put glacial marine mud on. And you put it on, make sure it's not too thin, not too thick. So easy, you just spread on with finger or with a brush, right? You do that, you have to wait
20 minutes?
30 minutes? No, 20 is not enough. The time when we did it, that's another story, that's right. When, I think Rochelle, you tried it, right? When we did when Marty did the lecture. Yes. And she is a brand new distributor, kind of new compared to our old timers. You were using mostly Age Lock.
Only Age Lock.
Yeah, only Age Lock and only the galvanic spot, right?
I had the marine mud because I had just gotten it in the try new skin stuff.
Yeah.
And I tried it once, but
So
I was
after,
putting it on a way too thin.
yeah. So I say it takes about how long did it dry out? Take 30 minutes or 40 minutes? Probably 40.
No, it took a good 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
If you're not in the shower. When I put it on in the bathroom, if I have a bathroom or something, it takes twice as long to dry in there.
Then you NAPC mist. NAPCA mist. Yes. You have to make sure that when you use mud or clay pack before you wash, you always should NAPCA mist it. And after you mist it, then you use exfoliant scrub. How do you use exfoliant scrub is you put it on the palm of your hand, then you kind of rub it in, really rubbing it in, not just circle it in, rub it in. But when you rub it in, there's two cases. One is you don't feel nothing, everything went fine. The other case would be you start feeling kind of a little bit dry or pain. When you do that, feel that way, you add creamy hydrating mask mixed with it. Then it's really easy to go on. And then you wash it off. Then what happened afterward? You want to share, Rochelle, when you wash off the half a face?
My skin felt like satin. And I've been using the galvanic and stuff on both sides of my face, but it felt like night and day.
Lita tried it too. Feel different?
Very much different because I have a
You tried too, right?
Yeah, Mark and I did.
Dolores,
that.
uh-huh.
And I have soft skin. That was,
She gave the lecture. So how, when you know, using it, doing half a face, and then afterward teaching it, is there any comment?
I just know that after I had experienced it, I wanted to teach it, and literally my skin was just like 10 times softer. It just was so tight, and
And the people who work with you in the hospital, you didn't notice that Marty looked different after that weekend when she went back? Because I could tell she looked different the next day. Because I
face
I
was
didn't
thinner.
see her doing it. Remember, I left.
Right. So it really kind of was interesting. Jenny was like, "You look like you're in your 20s," so that was really good. So, yeah, you just have to experience it. A lot of this is not really believing us and sitting up here really, pumping, but it's really about doing it, really, really doing this, and really falling in love with the products. I mean, I was totally blown away, and I just have so much respect for the science that goes into. I mean, there's zinc and copper in this.
Oh yeah, there's a story on this. I'll share this.
These are cofactors for your skin, and it's basically, rejuvenation. And it's amazing, the science, when you really pick apart each, product that's up here. We could probably talk about each one for 3-4 hours. But this one is unique because it's your
I know.
favorite one too. But
This is a funny, when Jenny was at our house, who was it, you or someone else? Oh, she had her downline, Lenny, was bring a friend, and then we were talking about it. So what I do is I'm very economical. So when the bottle's
Also
got
known
this
as cheap.
little left, I would just put it downstairs in my display room, right? Because there's a little bit left, so I go get a new bottle. So when this person came, they used it, and they said, wow, this thing smells weird. And I'm thinking, no, it doesn't smell weird. It tastes good. It smells good. I use it every day. So I put it out, and I push the pump out, and I smell, it does smell a little bit different. So I didn't want to say it smelled bad or anything. I said, it smells different. I said, because it's different. It is the True Face Perfecting Gel. And Jenny went, yeah. She said, what happened to the little stopper? I said, I threw it out. Because when a brand new comes like that, I take it out and I throw it in the trash. You throw it out? Yeah? So Jenny looked at me and said, you never should throw it out because it has copper in here, so it oxidizes. So what happens, because it sat there for probably a week, 2 weeks, nobody using it anyway, so when you pump it out, it was whatever was being oxidized. That was the one that smelled funny. I don't know, because afterward it smelled good again. So just share with you.
Okay.
And the best part, huh?
What
Yeah,
is that product primarily designed for?
skin.
No, what age group?
What age group?
Yeah,
I think it doesn't matter.
okay.
People like it's a different things. I guess we girls like to try different things. But I think with that, after that weekend, Marty says, I don't have this, I need that. So what happened to the PV?
Remember 200 ADR? Look at this.
Okay? Thank you. No, you have to remember to make sure that little plug stays there, okay?